In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update download error code 0x8024a206. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. At day settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, proceed to System. After that, you need to scroll down here on the list and locate for troubleshoot. Next is proceed to other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, you can see their Windows Update, run the troubleshooter next corresponding to it. And once the procedure has been done, you need to go with the updating of Windows again. Retry the Windows Update and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to reset Windows Update components. So by that, you need to copy the code that I have given at the YouTube description, this one. And once you have copied this, you need to paste it here at the notepad. Click on the file here and click on Save As. Once you have saved this one, you need to put a name on it. So in my case, I'll be naming it Fix Update. Then once you have put a name on it, please add an extension of .bat. Select desktop as your location and click on save to continue. Once you have saved that one, you need to close this window, proceed to the .bat file that you have created, make a right click, and then you need to go with the run as administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please wait until this process would be finished. And once you have finished all of these steps here, you need to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Type Y here so that you can continue and click on the enter key in your keyboard, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Now, thank you and have a good day.